Yeah, Rowan has adapted really well to the team. It has been a really smooth transition, I would say. He gelled well with the bike, with the team members, with his mechanics, with basically everything. Has just been really great, and quite sure he's made a good step in the right direction, both mentally, physically, everything. So I'm really looking forward to it with Rowan here and for the next few years. Yeah, I mean, Kai surprised, I would say, the whole world last year with 4 podiums, I think. Obviously, with the experience what he gained last year, knowing the class, knowing the intensity, knowing the long season, we have to go for higher. We have to try and improve. We always try to bring our riders to the highest possible level, and let's see where we are. We have done everything what we can. We have a new bike. The guys really like the new bike. Yeah, the people in the factory has worked extremely hard. The whole team here is working really hard. So we're going for the best possible result at every single weekend. Take one race at a time for both guys, and let's see where we end up.